Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Gemini and signing into the Google account that holds the photo you want to change. Once done, make sure Gemini has storage and photos permissions so it can access or upload images. If the image lives in Google Photos, tap Import. If on your device, choose Upload and pick the file. You're initiating the edit flow now. Don't stall. This gets Gemini the right file and context before any edits begin. With the image loaded, select Edit or Replace. Gemini offers AI suggestions and manual controls. Use suggestions to change background, improve lighting, or swap faces, and use manual sliders for precision. Once you apply an effect, preview alternatives Gemini generates. Compare one to the original to ensure quality. If replacing entirely, confirm the new image aligns with aspect ratios and metadata. Make incremental saves so you can revert if a change isn't what you expected. After you're satisfied, save the final image and verify it's synced to Google Photos or your device folder. Make sure the file name and album appear correctly and adjust sharing settings if needed. If saving fails, first retry the upload, then clear Gemini's cache and restart the app. If problems persist, sign out and reauthorize Google permissions so Gemini can access storage again. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.